Here's an example of someone that is essentially cutting pedestrians off at a crosswalk. So these pedestrians are walking with intention towards this crosswalk here, and this vehicle approaching has a stop sign here, and they've likely gotten used to the fact that they're just gonna pull forward and uh, just do a rolling stop, check the cross traffic, and off they go. And because they're in this habit, they've now come in, and instead of yielding to the pedestrians that are entering into the crosswalk, they're just going to quickly make the turn. And so this is why this habit is dangerous and is an automatic fail on the test, because once you get into this habit, the times that you do need it, you're not in the habit of enforcing it. So uh, we don't want to do rolling stops at the stop sign. Now, there's no lines on the ground, but the sidewalk here, either side of this road, acts as their stop line here. So even though the stop sign is over here, they are permitted to come up to this edge, but they need a full stop there rather than coming forward and go, oh, I'm sorry, I'm in the way. I'm just going to quickly make the turn and cut you off. No, that's not how that's supposed to be done.